Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I clean my garlic presses. And as you can see, I have quite a few. I try to keep one for all the different colors. I do not wash them. Now you can wash yours, but I use mine quite a bit, especially the red and the green mostly. But what I do is if I haven't used it in a while and the clay feels like it's hardened up a little bit and it's crumbly, I just use a knitting needle and I scrape everything off that I can, as you can see here. And I know that seems rather obvious, but just scrape it all off. It's going to be a boring little video, but I'm just trying to show you how to do this. And again, this is my new series that I'm doing in addition to the ornaments and other polymer clay creations that I show you in my videos. I just want to do some quick tips to help you out along your polymer clay journey. And see, I'm just scraping it out. Scrape it out as much as you can. And while you're watching this, I don't know if you probably left me by now, but be sure to check out my other videos and please subscribe if you want to see more. I appreciate it very much if you subscribe. I love reading your comments, so leave comments. If you have anything you want to find out, if you want something explained or you need a tip about something, I will do my best to do it for you. I'm just trying to help you along to make your life easier. When I started 45 years ago, there was one book out there, I believe it was by Nan Roche, Roche, and now I'm just going to poke the holes, poke the clay through the holes with the knitting needle. And remember, if you're going to use the same color clay, you don't have to really wash it. Just make sure you get the crumbly clay out of there. But anyway, I'm trying to help you guys out by handing over my knowledge, what I know. I don't know everything, obviously, because what I've made is Christmas ornaments. I don't do canes. I don't do fancy sculptures. I do basic, simple ornaments and figurines and just pins, and sometimes I'll do earrings, but I don't do the fancy stuff. And I'm just trying to help you along because when I started 45 years ago, there was nothing out there. Obviously, there was no internet and there were no books, there was nothing. In fact, when I started Sculpey, they didn't even have, I don't think they had the white Sculpey. It was kind of like an off color white kind of clay, and you had to paint it. And then they came out with the colors, and Fimo and Cernet were around, but they were hard as a rock, and I just couldn't work with those. And so you know how long ago that was. I was paying 39 cents for a 2-ounce pack of clay, and you all know how much they cost now. It's gone up quite a bit. Now you just poke the holes in, not poke the holes, poke the clay out through the holes, and you'll be good to go. And if you want to wash it, go ahead and wash it. I have never washed any of my garlic presses, and I've had most of these for over 30 years. In fact, these were made in West Germany. My mom went to visit her brother, and he got me a bunch of garlic presses, and they all say made in West Germany. So that was before 1989. So you know how old they are. And I know this is a long video, and if you've continued to the end, I don't know, good for you. But like I said, let me know if there's things you want to know, and I will try to do it for you. I'm retired. I don't do this to sell ornaments anymore. I just want to pass on my knowledge. So that's it. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Bye.